Alrighty, got this 2001 Dodge Ram. As you can see, we got a blinker out on each side, opposite. Now on this side, kind of looks like we got some jiggity going on here with his wiring. So ain't no wonder why that one don't work. This side don't look like that, but I can't even get that side out because it's up against the frame back there. Looks like this thing had a cold weather package. It's got a block heater. But to get this out, I believe we're gonna have to get to that screw back there, that one right there, and then there's another one tucked in right here. We got the slipper extension right here. It's gonna be a pain, and I believe they should come out. Hopefully we can get an extension to all of them, because fit my hand in there ain't gonna be fun. Oh, I'll try and slide this, whoops, down in there to get to it. See how that works. Looks like my extension is thin enough to slip right under there, so I can get straight to this one. Should be able to go right. My extension don't like to stay on. To that one. I'm about to lose that. Now, you just need to get that one way over there. Slip my extension under here. I'm gonna go from here, slide it over. See it right there. And then we should be able to pop this out. Mic set for concert recording. Wow. Aren't you so smart, phone? We're at a concert apparently. Must be because of the noise from my toes. Then this thing just kind of hangs there attached to this, which you can pop loose right here. Then you're free to change all your bulbs. And I get to figure out what the hell they were trying to do here. And fix it, yay. Same process on both sides. This is how you can change your front lights, headlights, signal lights, parking lights from a 2001 Dodge Dakota.